Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to secure your XM account from hackers. Your trading account holds sensitive data and money, so security is not optional. It's essential. Hackers usually target weak passwords, unprotected logins, or the careless habits. And the good news, with a few smart settings and habits, you can make your XM account very difficult to break into. So first, make sure you use a strong password. Create a password with the uppercase, number, or symbol. And after that, open to your XM app. What you can do is in the top right, you can find there's a profile icon. Select there and go to the setting on the bottom and go to the security under the setting. Over here, you can also enable a biometric login by tapping over there and make sure to enable it, which is fast and secure access on your own device as well. And that is it. Securing your XM account is about combining strong password and a strong biometric. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.